its environment. Source code encoding. By default, Python source files are treated as encoded in UTF-8. In that encoding, characters of most languages in the world can be used simultaneously in string literals, identifiers, and comments. Although the standard library only uses ASCII characters for identifiers, a convention that any portable code should follow. To display all these characters properly, your editor must recognize that the file is UTF-8 and it must use a font that supports all the characters in the file. To declare an encoding other than the default one, a special comment line should be added as the first line of the file. The syntax is as follows: hash hyphen star hyphen space coding colon space encoding space hyphen star hyphen, where encoding is one of the valid codecs supported by Python. For example, to declare that Windows 1252 encoding is to be used, the first line of your source code file should be this: hash hyphen star hyphen space coding colon space cp1252 hash space hyphen star hyphen. One exception to the first line rule is when the source code starts with a Unix cbang line. In this case, the encoding declaration should be added as the second line of the file. For example, hash exclamation slash usr slash bin slash env space python 3 hash space hyphen star hyphen space coding colon space cp1252 space hyphen star hyphen. Footnotes: on Unix, the Python 3.x interpreter is by default not installed with the executable named Python, so that it does not conflict with a simultaneously installed Python 2.x executable. Thank you.